Now we will proceed with the computation of expected frequencies, or actually we are proceeding towards the chi-square table. So the first column that we will need here will be the type of defect. As we know, there are three types of defects for this sample. The next one will be the column of observed frequency, which is already given to us, so that is OI. The next column will be that of expected frequency, which is given to us indirectly, so that is EI. The next one will be the final computation of chi-square value, so that will be OI minus EI divided by EI when this entire term is squared. So the first one is defect A. We will complete it for the first row, then automatically the process will be set up. In this case, accuracy is more important than speed. For defect A, as we can see, the observed number of frequency is 90. So we will write it down 90. Expected frequency for defect A is 50%. Remember, this 50% will be of these 200 components. So 50% of, so this is 50% of 200 components. So that computation will tell us that this is 100 are the expected defective parts having defect A. Then we will calculate the next value, OI minus EI bracket square. So that will be 90 minus 100 bracket squared divided by EI is 100. So we will do it on the calculator. So that will give us 90 minus 100. So that is nothing but 90 minus 100 bracket square divided by 100. So that has given us the value as 1.0. Similar thing we can do for the defect B. In the case of defect B, observed frequency is 70 while expected is 30%. So this is 70 here, and remember 30% of 200. So that will give us, we'll do it on the calculator. So 30% of 200, so that will be 60. And then we will proceed with the chi-square calculation. So OI minus EI, 70 minus 60 bracket square divided by EI for this case is 60. So that will give us, again we'll do it immediately on the calc. So 70 minus 60, and we'll need to put it in the so that will be 70 minus 60 bracket square divided by 60. So that will give us the value 1.66, let us say 7. Similarly, for the case C, I will suggest you do it by yourself as well. So observed 40, expected 20%. So this is observed 40, expected 20%, 20 by 100 into 200. So that gives you 40. So OI minus EI, so that is very simple, 40 minus 40 bracket square divided by 40. So this is 0.00. Now the chi-square statistic, rather I will like to change the color of this notation. So that will be, let us say, now the chi-square will be actually summation of OI minus EI bracket square divided by EI, which means summation of all these entities. So the calculation is pretty simple now. So summation of 1.667 and 0, so that will give you the value of chi-square is 2.667. So now you have the chi-square calculated value as 2.667 available with you. What to do with this, we'll see in the next video.